And there's the bell ending the fight. Cassius Clay is presented the coveted gold medal. I am the greatest.
Friends, we all know boxing champion Muhammad Ali, the global superstar and cultural icon. But did you know that Muhammad Ali was also a fiery poet?
Make me rumble. Don't we rumble? Float like a butterfly and sting like a bee.
His words were as powerful as his punches. Like all great people, he was fascinated by the power of words and knew how to use them aptly.
I know you're not against the black man. I know you're not against me having my land, are you?
Not
I know
at
you
all.
English the ruled and slaved forever for a long time. But do you still today don't want me to have my own country and build for myself and govern myself? Would you think that's bad?
With a knack for poetry, Ali employed spoken word and humor in his press encounters and public events. Rap music fans out there, you probably know the fact that Muhammad Ali has been referred to as the first rapper. And he played very important role in the black poetic tradition with his political quotes and self-assured wordplay.
Last night I had a dream. When I got to Africa, I had one hell of a rumble. I had to beat Tarzan's behind first for claiming to be the king in the jungle. For this fight, I've wrestled with alligators. I've tussled with a whale. I done handcuffed lightning and put thunder in jail. You know I'm bad.
In his impressive and imaginative verses, he'd announce his victory even before the fight with extreme conviction.
Stop talking now. Attention. I told you, all of my critics, I told you all that I was the greatest of all time when I beat Thunder. Listen, I told you today, I'll bruise up George Foreman. If I don't knock him out, I'll cut him up all around his face.
And I said, Joe's gonna come out smoking, and I ain't gonna be joking. I'll be pecking and a-poking, pouring water on his smoking. Then this might shock and amaze you, but I will destroy Joe Frazier.
He was dubbed a rhyming trickster, known for his boasts, funky delivery, comical trash talk, and endless quotables.
I murdered a rock, injured a stone, hospitalized a brick. I'm so mean I make medicine sick. And I want the world and the cameras to hear. Who's the heavyweight champion of the world?
Ali's poetic style was marked by playful rhythm and rhymes which made his verses very memorable. At the forefront of 60s civil rights movement, Ali used poetry before fights to psych out his opponents as well as to motivate the black community to carry on the fight for equality. Exuding self-confidence, his words carried the message of resistance against white supremacy while celebrating black pride.
Or some dose of drug I lack. Let me die by being black. Better than of this prison rot. If there's any choice I've got, kill me here on the spot. Better violent for us to die than to Uncle Tom and try, making peace just to live a lie. Better now than later on, now that fear of death is gone, never mind another dawn.
Along with winning fights, he won hearts of the world when he raised his voice against Vietnam War and racism in the US through his heartfelt speeches, interviews, and impromptu poetry.
The Muslims taking you for a ride.
No, the white people have been taking us for a ride for the past 400 years in America.
He spoke out loud and clear.
I refuse to be inducted into the United States Army.
And I will say here boldly now on television, no, I will not go 10,000 miles from here to help murder and kill another poor people simply to continue the domination of white slave masters.
This activism and public support made his personality more appealing and turned him into a global hero.
to say that I did not lose a thing. I have gained a lot. Number one, I have gained a peace of mind. I gained the respect of everyone here today, but worldwide, I have gained the respect. People all over the world.
No doubt, he was the greatest in the ring and a true champion of social justice in the world. The way public speaking and poetic expression helped shape Muhammad Ali's charisma proves how wrong are those who look down upon the power of words, poetry, or the significance of language.